ಮೈಸೂರಿನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಮುಕ್ತ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಮುಕ್ತ ಗಂಗೋತ್ರಿಯ ಕಾವೇರಿ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಬೇಕಿದ್ದ ಪೂರ್ವಯೋಜಿತ ಕಾವೇರಿ ಯುವ ವಿನಿಮಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಮಾಜಿ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಎಸ್.ಎಂ. ಕೃಷ್ಣರವರ ಹಸ್ತಂಗತ ಕಾರಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ರದ್ದುಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಕಾವೇರಿ ವಿನಿಮಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿತರಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದ ಎಂ.ಎನ್. ನಟರಾಜ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಾ. ತಾರಿಕ್ ಖಾನ್, ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ದಾಸ್, ಪ್ರಭುಲಿಂಗಯ್ಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಡಾ. ಎಂ.ಬಿ. ಸುರೇಶ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ಚವಾರೆ, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಯುವ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಎಸ್.ಎಂ. ಕೃಷ್ಣರವರ ಅಗಲಿಕೆ ತೀವ್ರ ವಿಷಾದವನ್ನು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿ ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಂಜಲಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು 2 ನಿಮಿಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಮೌನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿದರು. ಈ ವೇಳೆ ಎಸ್.ಎಂ. ಕೃಷ್ಣರವರ ಕಾರ್ಯಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ವಿವರಿಸಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಗೌರವಪೂರ್ವಕ ನೆನೆಸಿಕೊಂಡರು.
Guest of our Mysore, but today is a sad day for us because our ex-chief minister, the great politician and great statesman, Sri S.M. Krishna was passed away. It's a very sad moment for us. That's why we postponed this program to the another 2-3 days. But let your work to be continued. And once again, I will deep condolences to the S.M. Krishna sir. Thank you all.
To age-related issues, but he is a visionary. He is the one who got elected in the year 1962 as MLA of Maddur, Union Minister under the cabinet of Srimati Indira Gandhi in the year 1972 to 76. After that, in the year 1977 also he became Union Minister. Later, he became Speaker of Karnataka Legislative Assembly for 3 years. In the year 1999, he got elected as a CLP leader of Congress Party and became Chief Minister of Karnataka. 1999 to 2004, he was the full-time Chief Minister of Karnataka. He has initiated a lot of developmental activities for the people of Karnataka. People always remember. After that, after 2004, he became the Governor of Maharashtra. From 2004 to 2008, he was Governor of Maharashtra. Later, he got elected for Rajya Sabha, and in the year 2009, he became External Affairs Minister. 2016, it was celebrated its centenary celebration. Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable His Excellency President of India. For you, just go a walk in the morning and watch. Departments are there. Tribal youth action program, so many action program, any program. Either it is a integration camp or